In this video, I want to talk about 10 plus different jobs that you can do remotely. The good thing here is that these jobs can be done at night. So if you're currently working full-time or have a full-time employment, then maybe this would be the perfect solution for you. Maybe you have a family with kids and you can hardly keep up in the daytime. Or your ongoing daily commitments tie you up and your only downtime is after hours at night or in the morning. In this video, I'm going to give you some options where you can make substantial money on your own terms. By the way, it would be awesome if you would like and subscribe to my channel. A little love goes a long way. Now let's get into it. The jobs or skills I'm sharing today do not require a degree, and many times no experience at all. Although some of these jobs may actually provide training, and you can find that out for sure when you visit the website. For your convenience, see below in my video description all the links to the job that I will be sharing with you today. Side hustles are a great solution to add extra cash in your pocket without having to quit your day job. And last but not least, some of these jobs will be available worldwide, so please keep that in mind too. Job number 1, Cambly. Online English tutoring. First on our list is Cambly, an online platform connecting English tutors with learners. The best part, you get to set your own hours. No teaching certificate or degree is needed. While the pay is around $10.20 per hour, the flexibility makes it an excellent choice for those wanting to earn extra cash without a strict commitment. Job number 2, Brian Professional Services. Next up, we've got Brian, the ultimate time-saving solution for busy professionals. Whether it's phone calls, customer support, transcription, or more, you get to choose your gig and work during the wee hours of the night. Pay varies, but the freedom to select your projects is a game changer. Job number 3, Scribby, freelance transcription. If transcription is your strength, Scribby might be the perfect fit. Earn $5 to $20 per audio hour by reviewing and correcting automated transcript. No need to start from scratch. Save 60% of your typing effort. It's a flexible gig that you can easily fit into your nighttime routine. Job number 4, Respondent. Participate in research studies. Respondent offers a unique way to make money by participating in research studies. Create a profile, get matched to studies, apply, and get paid. With opportunities like speaking about your job search experience or flavor preferences, you can make anywhere from $10 to $150 per study. Job number 5, user interviews. Share your opinions. Similar to Respondent, user interviews lets you share your opinions and get paid. With over 2,000 new studies launching monthly, you can find opportunities to match your interest. The average study paid over $65, providing a great source of income during the free nights. Job number 6, Study Pool. Academic questions and answers. If you excel in academics, Study Pool is for you. Answer questions related to your expertise and get paid. With a 3.9 star rating on Glassdoor, it's a reliable option for making money with your knowledge. Job number 7, Rev Transcription and Captioning. Rev offers 2 opportunities, transcriptionist and captioner. Work on your own time transcribing audio or video content with pay ranging from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute. It's a solid choice for those comfortable with transcribing. Job number 8, Respondent, remote customer service. This remote position involves answering calls or web chat for various businesses. With a starting pay of $15 per hour and additional perks like healthcare benefits, it's a great option for those looking for a legitimate work-from-home job. Job number 9, Fiverr Freelance Services Marketplace. Fiverr is a global marketplace where you can offer your online skills and services. Whether you are into content writing, digital marketing, or video animation, create your gig and start earning. The referral program is an additional bonus for extra income. Job number 10, U-Haul Sales and Reservation Agent. U-Haul consistently hires sales and reservation agents for seasonal work-from-home position. With a pay of $17 per hour and training provided, it's a reliable choice for those looking for flexible hours even during the night. Job 11, Smith 1A, Virtual Receptionist. Become a virtual receptionist with Smith 1A and answer calls or web chat from home. With a starting at $15 per hour and additional bonuses, it's an excellent opportunity for those with strong typing and multitasking skills. And there you have it, 11 fantastic remote job opportunities that you can do at night without needing a degree or experience. Whether you are looking to earn extra income or transition to a remote lifestyle, these options provide flexibility and financial reward. If you tried any of these or have any recommendation, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and the best of luck to your remote job search. Until next time, be freelantastic.